Hello and welcome to new lecture Calligraphy. Calligraphy is all about writing beautifully. There is a difference between calligraphy and there is a difference between creative writing, okay? Don't mix it up. Creative writing is when you are showing creativity in terms of writing, like not as alphabets but as a content, okay? Content is the main thing, but calligraphy is just about writing, okay? Why calligraphy is important? Because in calligraphy, whatever you are writing, first of all, you can tell the what kind of writing is necessary for particular things. For example, if you are writing any serious posture or serious story board or serious anything, you can't use all the flowy, wavy, sassy font or writing technique. But if you are writing for wedding or any happy moment, so basically it depends on mood, whether it's a formal, whether it's a occasion, or whether it's about some person. So every person is related to with one calligraphy, also one style. So there are so many fonts we can find all over the world. But for example, have you all heard about who are the font artists? So font artists are those artists who develop calligraphy, who develop the fonts. So there are certain fonts exist in the world, but there are still designers who design different fonts. So let's see the introduction. Calligraphy, from Greek word calligraphia, beautiful writing, is a visual art related to writing and is the design and execution of lettering with a pen, ink, brush, or other writing instruments. Okay, so if you see the calligraphy in London or calligraphy in Europe or calligraphy in Japan, all these three are very different. Okay, so according to their need or availability of material, their writing or their style is different. Beautiful handwriting, elegant penmanship. Calligraphy is not just about decorated text, nor is it only about the use of letter as ornaments. It's more than that. Stroke quality and weight are utmost important. Guys, if you see this edge, like how this edge is made, where are the dense stroke, where are the light stroke? So calligraphy is all about that, balancing the strokes. And if you are adding curves, for example, like adding too many curves in the edge will not be recognizable. So the font should be in balance. So how we gonna describe like what are the elements of calligraphy? If you see the F, that the folded things in up is called ascender, then the waistline is part between ascender and baseline. Terminals are the edges of a font when you cut the fonts into sharp and edgy way. This is called the terminal. Closed counter and open counter are if alphabets are closed, then the closed counter, for example A, and if alphabet is open, then the open counter C. Can you guess what will E will be, closed or open? Got confused, right? So some alphabets are those alphabets which contains both counter. Now the thing is, the ascender and descender can't be in everything. They are flowingness of alphabet, that means alphabet that can stretch out, and also at the same time it does not change its original shape. Okay, what is cursive? If you see the upper halo, it's simple, and the lower halo, all the letters are declining towards. So cursive means you have to write little bit diagonal. Why we wrote diagonally? Because it will give you the enhancing view of font, and calligraphy is all about beautiful writing. I hope you understand that difference between calligraphy and cursive, traditional and modern. Now, if you see the T in traditional, it's very slant. Colors are very neutral, straight baseline, basic letter form. Whereas, if you see the modern, loppy letters, bright colors, bouncing baseline, and slight slant. Now, if you see both the words, can you find the difference? So, like if you go with the old form, they always use a straight baseline because earlier all this calligraphy used writing the letter. And when you are writing the letter, it's necessary to write in a straight line. And if you see the modern, the baseline is bouncing, like it's not even. So that's why, like, when you go with the old stuff, you have to be strict to the rules. When it comes to the modern, you can do some changes. Okay, so this was all theory part for calligraphy. I suggest you to start practicing with letters, alphabets, then go for the words, and then explore some more types of calligraphy which only exist and also which you can create from your mind. And you will ask where would this calligraphy will work. So calligraphy is really useful in posters making in NIFT entrance exam. Like you can make a bare minimum poster and you can add a lot of efficient or creative part by adding cool calligraphy in it. Also NID really loves calligraphy. So if you are preparing for it, just go for calligraphy. And I hope this video was informative to you. So thank you. Bye. Ta-da.